What's good, guys? So right now it's already 4:20 a.m. I forgot to actually write on my journal. So right now I'm going to write my journal. So yeah, so consistent lang, guys. And right, nga pala kahapon, ang total revenue natin is $400. So ano na ngayon kinabukasan na 26. So 25 is yun nga, $400, I would say. Yeah. And then ngayon, the next day, $80 na, 4:21 a.m. So gising pa ako. Actually matutulog na ako. So actually quick update lang to, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sale kahapon. So just, I'm not showing out of my ass. So yeah, yesterday is 405 in total of 6 orders right now. So I'm just gonna blur out this fucking shit. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that shit, but yeah. So fucking 405 total of 6 orders. So yeah, yun lang naman ang update ko. Sobrang lamig. So baka patayin ko na yung aircon. Sobrang lamig na. Ano pa ba? I guess yun naman, quick update lang to. Ayoko na masyadong pahabain since quick update lang to. Kasi magsusulat pa ako ng journal and inaantok na talaga ako. Ano pa ba? So, yun lang, guys. So, update na lang. Wait, anong day na ba? Bukas. Let me check it real quick. So, tomorrow is fucking... So, itong video na to would be day 31. So, day 31 to. And then, bukas is day 32 na. So, yeah. Yun na lang muna, guys. Update ko na lang kayo bukas. Antok na talaga ako at malulobot na rin yung camera. 7% na lang. So, ang tagal nitong camera na to, yung track day pa to. So, yeah. See you on the next day.